In our last sessions, we have learned about the pre-fertilization and fertilization events. Pre-fertilization events included the gamete formation and transfer of gamete by pollination process. In fertilization event, you learn about double fertilization, that is how the zygote and how the primary endosperm cell or nucleus was formed. Now in today's class we are going to start with the post-fertilization events. Post-fertilization means the events that occur after fertilization. Now once the fertilization is over, all the floral parts of flower are going to fall off. That is the style, stigma, petals, sepals, everything will fall off. Only the ovary will remain intact along with thalamus, and it will result in the formation of structures, that is seed and fruit. The fertilized ovary forms fruit, whereas the ovule turns to seed. Within the seed is the developing embryo, and we have learned about the endosperm also. So endosperm development is also included in the post-fertilization events. We are going to learn about their development in detail now. In today's class, we will learn about the development of endosperm in detail. Okay, now we are going to learn about the endosperm development in detail. Now endosperm is always formed or developed before the embryo development, because endosperm is a nutritive tissue and it provides nourishment to embryo. Now when you see, there are three types of development given in the figure: free nuclear, cellular and halobial type. Free nuclear means here the nuclei, that is the primary endosperm nuclei, is going to divide repeatedly. From one nuclei 2 will be formed, from 2 nuclei 4 will be formed, from 4 nuclei 8 nuclei will be formed, and all these nuclei will be arranged within the primary endosperm, and it will result in the formation of free nuclear type. Now you all used to drink the coconut water. The coconut water that you drink is the free nuclear type of endosperm. Now the next one is the cellular one. Now here, just after the division of the nucleus, the cells are formed. So after the 2 nuclei are formed, 2 cells are seen. Then from 2 cells 4 cells will be there. From 4 cells 8 cells will be there. Then 16 cells, then 32 cells, that way. So that is why it is known as cellular endosperm. The cream or the malai that you eat from the coconut is the cellular type. Now the third type is the halobial type of endosperm. This type of endosperm is the intermediate form between the free nuclear and the cellular type. The first division is the cellular one, that is the nucleus will divide, then the cells will be formed, and after the first cellular division, the remaining divisions are the nuclear one. See in the next picture, only the nuclei is getting divided. From 1 nuclei to 2, from 2 to 4, from 4 to 8. That way the 2 cell structure is there, but the nucleus are many in number. So these are the 3 types of endosperm: free nuclear, cellular and halobial type.